How to block a supplier on Alibaba. Getting unwanted messages from a supplier. This guide shows you how to block a supplier on Alibaba so you can stop getting messages from them. First, you need to find the supplier that you want to block. Go to your Contacts or Inquiries tab on Alibaba website or app. Find the supplier that you want to block and go to their profile. On the supplier's profile, you'll see a button that says Block this contact on the top right corner. Click here and you can just click on block. Tapping this will block the supplier and they will no longer be able to send you messages. You can unblock them anytime if you change your mind. Blocking a supplier is a great way to keep your inbox clean and to stop getting unwanted messages. This is especially useful if a supplier is spamming you or sending you a lot of messages that you don't need. You now know how to block a supplier on Alibaba. Get ready to keep your inbox clean. Like and subscribe for more business tips.